Rome still looked magnificent. Legions marched in perfect order along the frontier. The voices of senators echoed between marble columns, and the emperor, he still stood over the Capitol like the shadow of a god. But beneath this grand silence, something trembled. It began in a place no one paid attention to: the mints. Behind those heavy iron doors, the sound of gold changed one day. A master who had heard the same ringing for decades suddenly sensed it. Lighter, not metal. Rome's own heartbeat had thinned. Emperors rose to the throne one after another, opening the treasury only to face the same truth. The bottoms of the chest were showing. Under the banners that danced in the wind, Rome's most dangerous reality was growing. The wars wouldn't stop, the taxes weren't enough, and gold was no longer flowing through Rome's veins as it once did. So, some of them made a risky decision. They reduced the precious metal inside the coins. On the outside, they looked the same. They still carried the emperor's face. But inside, they whispered Rome's decline. The people didn't notice. The merchants didn't understand. The legionaries were simply happy to receive their pay. Yet in truth, Rome was becoming lighter, together with its money. And on that day, the empire's pulse began to race for the first time. The cause was invisible, but the effect would be immense. So now the real question is, why would an emperor risk debasing his own money? Were they trying to save Rome, or to save themselves? The answer waits in the next chapter of the series.